Oh yeah, listen to that baby purr. So welcome back everyone, it's Raymondo here from Mondo. So today we are doing the Maserati Merak. This is a fantastic car from 1980. It was a mid-engine sports car. It was actually introduced in 1972, developed as a sister model to the Bora that came out the previous year. Both vehicles shared the same basic exterior styling. However, the rear ends were both noticeably different, as the Bora was a fastback while the Merak was a notchback with a fastback style pillar. The engines are two different engines in both these cars. The Bora had a rumbling V8, the Merak featured 187 brake horsepower 3-litre V6, borrowed from the Citroën SM. That allowed the Merak to adopt a 2+2 layout and boasted much more luggage space. So the Merak SS, which is the high performance model, came equipped with 216 HP. So what we're looking for, guys, is basically we're going to try and beat the DeLorean. I think that's the best shot we have got in this car. So straight onto the lap, guys. I've turned traction control off. Lap 1 will be the fastest lap in this car. Again, it was another car I really enjoyed driving around this track. A little bit loose on the back end, but it was still fun nonetheless. And what I like about this car is I like all the dials. You see all the dials to the right hand side of the panel. So I took that first corner beautifully, well happy with that. We have got the comfort softs on, as you would expect. I could have done better overall. I did do 3 laps as standard. I think I could have done better, but I was struggling just a little bit with the car, but I still had fun in it. Obviously this lap weirdly was the better, even though I took that corner completely wrong. Could have done a better job through there, but I find I always make or lose the time in this last third of the lap. And actually I didn't do too bad through this section. So we did go onto the gravel just a little bit there. So like I say, I could have done a much better lap, but of the 3 laps, the other 2 were absolutely dog awful, so I don't even bother showing you them. But yeah, pretty fun car to drive. Quite enjoyed driving this one, like I said. And over the line we come. And we posted 1:57.8, so we have beaten the DeLorean. So just going to let this lap play out now and let you enjoy it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. That would be absolutely fantastic. I'd massively appreciate that. Give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell, as I am uploading these frequently, probably 1 a week. But if I have time, I may even do 2 a week. So there we go, folks. Yeah, third fastest car. Still can't beat those Integras, but it's not bad for a car from the 1970s, is it? It beat the DeLorean. Not a lot in it, to be fair. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you again next week with another car on the time trials. Thank you and goodbye.